everyone, it's time with Belle. Okay, so how are you doing? I hope you are doing awesome. Okay, so if you see this video after Christmas, then Happy New Year. If it's before Christmas, then Merry Christmas. Okay, so it's been a while that I guess, yeah. Okay, I hope you are doing awesome as I am doing too. And okay, so I want to unbox something, okay? Like unboxing. It's like unboxing. I want to give you updates on my kind of, should I say, weight loss journey. Okay, so in one of my videos, I remember saying that, oh, I've been gaining weight because of stress and stress and a lot of stuff that makes me gain weight. Mine is not about food. Okay, so and I can't exercise. Okay, so I can't exercise. Yes, I can't exercise. I can't reduce my food. I'm a foodie. Yeah, of course I am. I'm a foodie, so I can't reduce the food I eat. That one for sure. Yes, because I can't imagine eating sope, then like I'll be hungry again. Like sope means little, okay? And I'll be hungry again and go for food. So for me, if I'm eating them, then I'm eating. If I'm not eating, I'm not eating, okay? So as I said, I'm a foodie. So I've always tried to substitute my food, like minimize it, but it's not working. Yeah, it's not working. Okay, it's not. I eat banku. So I try to substitute oatmeal banku with the regular banku that I know, but still I tend to eat more of the oatmeal. Like I'm eating in a week. I can eat banku like 3-4 times. Yeah, so it's not helping. Okay, it's not helping. So in a way to lose weight, as I said it in one of my stress management video, that you can dance to release stress, you can do sort of stuff to release. So now I think the best way for me is to do skipping. Okay, is to do skipping. Yeah, because skipping is an indoor kind of exercise. So every morning I'll try and exercise. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it. It's not opening, but I don't know why this thing's taken out. That's why it came. So I got this from Amazon, okay? So I'm going to open it. Let's see what is in it. Ta-da! So this is how it looks like. Yeah. What's the name of this? Rubex. Weighted jumping rope. That's how it looks like, okay? So I believe that this is going to help me with my weight loss journey, okay? I'm not able to exercise. I'm not able to cut down some of the food that I eat, so it's really hard to lose weight. So as of now, trust me, I weigh 150 pounds. Weigh 150 pounds, 68 kg, I think. Yeah, and it is not good. Yeah, because I'm not tall. So if I go I become fat, well, then I'm going down. fat, then I'm going down. Okay, and I want to be tall. Even though I'm more than 25, but still, I think I still want to go up. Okay, I learned growth or height stops at 18. Yeah, I still believe in growing tall, right? Yep. Yes, I still believe in growing tall. Shay, who don't want to grow tall? Yes, I want to grow tall. Yep. So this is what is in it. There's nothing else in it. Yep, this is 9 feet rope. Yep. So I got it like $4.99 or something. So including tax was $5. Okay, this is $5.35 from Amazon. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Yep. Yeah. Wow. This is how it looks like, and so I'll put some of the benefits of this. Skipping rope. Yeah. So this is how it looks. It's 9 feet, and I will try my best to skip it every morning. Like either every morning or before I go to bed. I don't know. For going to bed, I can't assure, but for every morning, I can assure because going to bed, I go to bed as late as 5 a.m. Okay, so going to bed, I can't assure, but early in the morning, I can assure. Yep, because I come back from work late in the morning. Okay, so now I weigh 150 pounds. So I'll update you on the journey. So I'm going to start 1st January. Yeah, I'm going to start in January. So I'm giving myself like 2 weeks or a month to know how much I weight or like how helpful it will be. Okay. So I mean, for me to be able to know the benefit of it or like if it's working or not, I'll try and put on waist trainer. Okay. Yeah, I'll try and put on waist trainer. Let's see. I'll try and put on waist trainer so that I'll be able to bend. So as I'm bending for the arm side, I don't think I have problem with the arm side, okay, but I think my belly is really fat, okay. So I'll try and put on waist trainer. Whoop. Yeah. Yeah, everybody want to be in shape. So what else can we do? So I'll try and hope I don't mess up things. While I was filming the video, is really tiny, so I was kind of messing up stuff. So I just came to an empty room and okay, all right, let's skip. Okay, guys, so yeah, if also can exercise like I do, you can also try skipping rope, and to be the same like running or trotting or whatever it is. And by the time you realize you lose some calories, okay. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from Time with Bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.